All right. Today we're doing a review of these Duke sausages. I've done reviews of this company before. My favorite is their peach and hickory one was the best. So it almost tasted like the barbecue pork. So, anyways, I never tried their original, so this was on sale. And we'll go to a quick taste test. So here's the nutrient panel, and here's the ingredients. If you want to read it, pause the video. So yeah, there's no MSG, things like that. No artificial preservatives. So let's open up. Okay, so there it is. These are actually quite good. They're very mild, not overly salty. Slight hint of like spices, but compared to the other ones, this is very mild. My favorite is still the peach one. So yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.